Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get Gourdy in 24 hours in Dandy's world. So my tip number one is to play as Roger. Roger is very good for research because of his passive ability that gives him 2 times the research. So you're going to want to play as that. I only have Poppy though. This is new to me. Tip number 2 is to play public lobbies. So you can get to the 20th floor faster, and then you'll need to practice, try to do runs without any tunes that are healers, distractors, or have good abilities. And basically, tip number 4 is to distract. Try distracting, but if you get good at it, you could carry your team to floor 20, helping you get research. So basically, my other tips to surviving and to getting Gourdy is that Gourdy is guaranteed on the 20th floor. This is what Gourdy will look like, by the way. This is Gourdy. You can purchase it, I guess. Oh, you do need the requirements for it. You'll need 3,000 buckkins, 2,500. I don't know how to pronounce that. But when you get him, he has like a bar, and when it runs out, he's no longer friendly. To keep his bar down, feed him items. So that's how you can get Gourdy. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!